let's work on this histogram. You can see it's all the way to the left, which means I'm crushing my blacks. It's because I'm in manual mode. Shutter speed's at 1/250. My f-stop is 5.6 and my ISO is 100. So if I want to fix that while I'm in manual mode, let's slow the shutter speed down. Let's open that aperture a little bit and let's increase the ISO. And I'm just moving them all a little bit because I'm gonna have to move them all. So we're at 1/40th of a second, 2.8, 250. I still got a little bit to the left. So let's increase that ISO just a little bit more. And we're getting pretty close. That's probably close enough for me right now. The bottom part of the picture is very dark, and that's why it looks like we got a lot to the left. So now let's see what we can do in manual mode still, but let's move the ISO all the way back down to 100, and the next level down is going to be auto. And look at that, it moved it almost exactly to where I had it before. So take that picture. All right, now let's go to back to ISO 100, and let's go to aperture priority. When we do that, you can see the aperture setting, but you can't see the shutter speed anymore. So as I lower my aperture and change it, you'll notice the histogram really isn't changing, because in the background, and you can't see it, the shutter speed's being adjusted by the camera to get the correct light. And likewise, if we go to shutter priority, we can now see the shutter speed. In this case, it's 1/5 of a second. Let's get that focused a little bit with focus. There it goes. 1/6 of a second, or is that 6 seconds? That's 1/6 of a second. 1/8, 1/6, 1/5. So we can change that as much as we want, but it's going to adjust the aperture. If you need a little bit more help because it's really, really dark or really, really bright, put your ISO in auto while you're in shutter priority or aperture priority, and that'll help you out with your histogram tremendously. It's Doug Gabbard, practicing photography, learning every day.